Hey everyone, Jeff Repp here, owner of Reputable Designs. We specialize in custom furniture, 3D wall art, wood earrings, and a variety of custom engravings. I've relied on the ComMarker B4 20-watt fiber laser for a variety of projects, including custom dog tags, stainless steel tumblers, aluminum business cards, and a lot more. The ComMarker has become a very strong machine in my business. Let's go over here and take a look. This is a ComMarker V4 20-watt. Everything I do is done on a laptop and then transferred to the machine. Very easy, works with light burn. Gotta love the machine. It's compact and powerful, allowing me to easily integrate it into my workspace without sacrificing efficiency. As you can see, the ComMarker B4 20-watt machine has been crucial in creating a variety of products. Here are just a few examples. Custom dog tags, aluminum business cards, slate coasters, and even wood coasters. Each piece showcases the machine's ability to handle different materials with precision and consistency. Now let's take a closer look at how the ComMarker B4 20-watt laser performs in action. Here I'm engraving a custom dog tag made of stainless steel. The precision and speed are impressive, making this easy to achieve the exact design I envision. The ComMarker B4 20-watt fiber laser machine has truly enhanced my ability to deliver high-quality custom designs to all my clients. The versatility, precision, and reliability make this the perfect fit for my business. Whether you're a small business owner like me or just someone looking to create unique, personalized items, I highly recommend this unit.